Preparing cabbage and potatoes this way, they turn out tastier than meat, easy and cheap to prepare. First, I'll chop half a cabbage into very small pieces, just like I'm doing. Don't forget to tell me which city or country you're watching from. I love knowing how far my videos are reaching. Now, I'll sprinkle a little salt on top and mix it well. Next, I'll finely chop some green onions, just like I'm showing. I'm sure you and your whole family will love this recipe. We'll place it in a pan and add 120 milliliters of milk. Then, I'll cut 900 grams of potatoes into large pieces, like this. Next, we can transfer them to a pot. Here, I'll season with a teaspoon of salt and a few bay leaves. We'll cover everything with water and let it cook. While the potatoes are cooking, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a frying pan. When the butter melts, I'll add a chopped onion and let it sauté. While the onion is sautéing, I'll quickly grate a carrot with a grater. We'll add the carrot to the onion in the pan and mix it together. Now, it's time to add the chopped cabbage to the pan. We'll cover and let everything cook slowly. With the potatoes already cooked, I'll drain them, add a tablespoon of butter, and the milk and green onion mixture. Then mash the potatoes to make a very creamy puree. Next, we add half of the sautéed vegetable mixture from the pan and mix it into our puree, ensuring the flavors are well incorporated. In a baking dish, we'll spread some olive oil, greasing it well with the help of a brush. Then I'll place a layer of the sautéed vegetable mixture from the pan, followed by a layer of mashed potatoes. On top of the mashed potatoes, we'll add another layer of vegetables. To make it even more irresistible, I'll add a layer of grated mozzarella cheese. We'll finish by adding the remaining mashed potatoes. I bet you're already imagining how incredible this is going to taste, right? To finish, I'll add one more layer of mozzarella cheese. We'll place it in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes until the cheese is golden. Our delicious cabbage and potato recipe is finished and ready to be served. And if you've been watching this recipe up to here, it means you're enjoying it. So rate this recipe from 0 to 10 so I can continue making delicious recipes like this. Share your favorite recipes in the comments below so I can have recommendations for other recipes to make for you. I'm sure this will be a hit on any occasion, whether for a family lunch or to impress your guests at a special dinner. Thank you for watching this far. See you next time.